Okay, eventually after transitions we get on to passing, or passes, passing, which is my favourite part of nunchucks. Which is, yeah, when you're in one stance and you want to move to another, and the way you do that is you let go of one stick, you move it, and you catch it again in the next stance. So you just passed it from one, you're passing the nunchuck from one hand to the other. And like I said, that's the shoulder stance. That's the shoulder stance on the right hand side. So if you go to the shoulder stance on the left hand side, that's a shoulder pass, because you're just going from shoulder to shoulder. Just like you go from the back stance to the back stance, that's a back pass. They're called mirror passes if you're just going from one stance to its opposite version. So you can go under the leg pass, you're just mirroring the stance one side to the other. And obviously, each of these can be done as an upswing or a downswing. I'm doing these all as upswings at the moment. Upswing to the shoulder, upswing, if you're going to hit this on the upswing. But you can also do it on the downswing. Downswings tend to be a little bit more difficult because if you think about it, you're hitting downwards, and after the strike, then you have to bring it back up to the catch, so that you're going under your arm to catch over that, So that's not as easy, and the behind the back one's not as easy. But some of them it is slightly easier, like on the elbow stance, it's easier to go around that way and catch like that than it is to go that way. That one's a little bit more tricky. The tangle pass is very similar to the shoulder pass, but because of the timing to feed first mistake, because of the timing to slip your hand through to catch it, because you have to wait until the arm's in the right position, it generally forces you to go a little bit quicker. The different, there's the up and down ones which go with, the up and down swings, but then there's also the ones that go like near wall ones, so like you can go around, so the kind of flat ones, if that makes sense. I'm kind of